So we've been in business just coming up on our 1 year anniversary here, and we do shingle rejuvenation. So it's a spray-on application that adds years of life to asphalt shingles on folks' roofs. We charge based on the square foot. So getting roof reports and measurements of the homes is a key tenet to our business. We were using a variety of different resources to acquire roof reports, and then started to use Eagleview pretty consistently when we found out about the Assess program. So with a lot of roof reports, they're built off satellite imagery. It can be out of date imagery. And we were looking for a solution where we could see in real time what the actual condition of the roof is, and found out about the Assess program and obviously got really excited. So it's worked super, super well for us because we can get eyes on the roof that we're getting the quote for and get good information as to the quality of the roof and whether or not it qualifies for our service.